Dee Dee, can you look at Papa? Hi, Dee Dee. What's the matter? It looks like she likes the snow too much. Hope she.
Daddy, get. Daddy, get. That is your time.
Dee Dee, we're going. Two girls, yay!
Mine only smells occasionally.
Do you love it? Are you warm enough in that outfit?
She maybe her hands may be getting a little cold.
Dee Dee's hands, yeah. Dee Dee definitely needs. Where's the black one?
In your car. You were responsible. You picked her up at Courtney's. That's when she left home. Oh, you could ride your sled down that. Whoa, wanna? Go grab your sled mat.
Down. Go cast it down.
If you talk like a big girl, you can do it. Only big girls can do it.
Okay.